Next, let's set up how you actually get paid. When a customer places an order, the money needs to go somewhere, and this is where you tell Shopify where that is. You'll connect a payment provider that handles credit cards, digital wallets, and everything else. And then Shopify routes the money to your bank account. On the left side navigation of your settings, select Payments. Shopify Payments is the easiest option. It handles credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay all in one. Just click Complete Account Setup to get started. You'll need to verify your account, grab that code from your email, paste it in. Next, you'll need to fill out the questionnaire. Select whether you're running your store as an individual, a registered business, or a nonprofit. I'll select an individual in my case. Enter your name, date of birth, email, phone number, and address information, as well as your tax ID. Once you've got this all completed, click Next. Next, make sure your store name is set the way you want it to appear on your customer's bank statements, and then click Next. Review your account details, and then Submit for verification. Once you've done all that, you'll see that Shopify is verifying your information, and this usually takes a few minutes. At this time, you could add additional payment methods because Shopify Payments might not be available in every country or every region. So set up whatever payment method is available to you to make sure that you get paid. Regarding payment capture method, I recommend leaving this set to automatically at checkout. That's the default, and it's what most stores use.